Good afternoon. Today a very easy recipe. Baked chicken with potatoes. Here we take the chicken, we put some salt on it with garlic cloves and some herbs. We have chosen rosemary, thyme, oregano and sage. Here inside we put some salt on the top and we massage like this, and then we put some spicy. We choose today curry spice, Indian curry spice, a little bit oil. We choose grapeseed oil today because the olive oil is quite strong on taste, so preferably vegetable oil. Then we cut the potatoes, and also we go to massage them, things that we are not used to do sometimes, but this is a very special recipe that a friend of mine, a Sicilian friend of mine, told me. So after the massage, we put in the oven at 100 degree. It will take 40 minutes for the chicken and 20 minutes for the potato. You will get a crisp skin for the chicken, and here most probably you will see a different kind of video that will give you a better presentation, but this is actually what it will happen to you usually. So when you take out, this is very hot chicken, so it will be quite difficult to cut, and yeah, the most important is that you get first cut in half, and then get 8 pieces of the chicken, so it will last for 4 persons. Everyone will get 2 pieces, so like this, and then again you cut. Oh my god, it's hot. Yeah, then you cut like this, you take out you cut in half, and here again in half the breast, you cut in half the breast, yeah, like this. And when you put in the plate, if the potato rests 5-10 minutes, it will be better, so it will not break down when you put in the plate. Then you put a piece of your chicken, and finally some of the cooking juice, like this. Yeah, in 1 hour you get your chicken. Enjoy!